Why are you preparing to a orange juice? At first, I have bought the fresh orange from the available any markets, and then I peel the orange and remove the seeds and the pieces of orange, put into the juicers and switch on the machines, and then the different liquid juices are poured into the bottles. Conversations. How are you, Raja? I am very happy to meeting you after a long time. Please take your seat. So I called to you in this restaurant. What is your favorite dish? I am very happy to meeting you after a long time. So I reach in this restaurant to meeting you. My favorite dishes have you like. Okay, I ordered the Chinese dish both to us. Okay, thank you. Hi Rina, how are you? I am not well. I am understand to feel you that you are very sick, so I suggest to you that you have need an appointment to visit a doctor's. Okay, I am thinking that I have need to visit a doctor's. Okay, thank you. Others conversations. Hi doctors, may I come in? Okay, come here and take your seat and say to me what is your problems, have you sufferings? I am sufferings for fever and headaches. How many times have you sufferings? I have sufferings for 5 days. Have you taken any medicines? Yes, but no relief. Okay, at first I want to check in you and checking your pressures. Okay, I I have given you a prescription. Please follow it and take the medicines. Okay, thank you. Hi, sir. What is your problems? I have a little infections. Please give me the medicines. Okay, I giving you these pills. I am thinking that it is the best pills to remove your problems. Okay, thank you. How many times take it? 2 times in a day. Okay, thank you.